Okay, so name 6 segments in the picture. So what is a segment?
Chunk of a line.
Yeah, so a segment is 2 points, and it's AKA the chunk of the line. Okay, so my segment, okay, or my entire line is labeled with 4 points, P, Q, R, S. Okay, so I need 2 points.
RS.
RS is one of the segments. What is another one?
PQ.
PQ, Mario, what's another one? What's another segment?
RS.
We got RS.
RQ.
RQ.
SR.
SR. Bree, what's another one? QR. Jared? SP. Perfect. Boom, we got 6 segments. The segment order doesn't matter, okay? With segments, it doesn't matter. You can say PQ and then QP, QR and then RQ, or you can say PS, SP, okay? So it's really easy to find 6 segments. Now, the rays matter, okay? And hopefully you guys kind of remember. So a ray, okay, when we label them, it should look like this above it, okay? And what that says is we take a point, okay, and then the very last point that it goes through in that direction. So if we pick the point Q, okay, that means our Q's got to go here at the starting, Q. And what's the very last point it's going to go through?
S.
S. Okay, and we need another one. So pick a point.
P.
P. What's the last point it's going to go through?
S.
Yeah, so PS.
PS.
And then RS.
And we could say RS too. Okay, so RS works. Okay, and it doesn't necessarily have to go this way. We could start at R. What would the last point be that it would go through?
S.
Or,
Q.
U.
not Q,
P.
P. Okay, so it could start at R and you could go through P. It works the same way. Okay, but you have to pick the point and then the last point that it goes through.
Yep. What? You're making that face and making me nervous about something.
Okay, look at the next slide. Name 2 planes that intersect the given line. Okay, and these are the ones that some of you guys, you need to use colored pencils. So, I have my line, EA. Okay, so the very first thing is we need to find EA. Okay, well, right here is EA. What are the 2 planes or the 2 sides that touch EA? Okay, well, right here's one. EFBA. Okay, so we could say EFBA is one plane that touches that. What about the other one? Okay, so if we look at our Kleenex box, here's my plane, EA.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Okay, here's my plane, or my line segment, EA. Okay, we want to know what 2 sides of the Kleenex box touches this. Okay, I already know the front one touches, right? What other one is going to touch? So it's this. So where else am I going to touch this side?
This one.
Okay, it's going to be this one. See how they meet right here at this entire line? Okay, so it's going to be that side one. Okay, so we just got to look and say, well, what's the side one? Well, it's going to be HEDA. See how it touches? Both of these touch that red one I initially drew. Okay, so HEDA. And the order doesn't matter. I can put AD because that's what I did, but it doesn't matter, okay? So the next one says FG. So your very first step is going to be to find that line FG. Okay, so where is FG?
Here. And the front one's that one.
Yeah, so it's gonna be off to the other side, essentially. If we look at a Kleenex box, it's gonna be the total opposite side. Okay, so what two planes are gonna touch this side? Huh? EF what?
B.
BA. So does that look right? It's gotta be overlapping going on the blue. It's gonna be the top one. Okay, so it's gotta go like this. It's gotta touch this one and then keep going. You can't pick your pencil up off your paper, essentially. Okay, so we got HE, FG. Okay, and then what's another one? Okay, I know it's gonna touch this, right? It has to. Where else can I connect dots without picking up my pencil?
B and C.
B and C. Okay, so we got FG, BC. Somewhere put a star next to 3 and 4. That one's you're going to do by yourself. Okay, so when we go back through, you remember which ones you're going to be doing, and I'm going to highlight it on my sheet. Okay, so in this one, we were given our line of intersection, okay, where it intersected with the two planes. On the other slide, okay, you're given the planes, and you need to find the line of intersection. Okay, so it says name the line of intersection each pair of planes. So that plane, HEF, okay, that's just a matter of finding it. Okay, well, here's my HEF. So I have this one in green. And then the other one they give me is FGC.
Yep. Yeah.
FGC. Where does it touch both colors?
Here.
GF or FG? It doesn't matter. So that's going to be our line of intersection. Oh, I just make sure you didn't write that answer on that last slide. Okay, let's look at the other one, FBC. Okay, so take a look, find them, FBC. So FBC, and then we need to find the other one, EFB. EFB. Where is it crossing twice with both colors?
FB.
Huh?
FB.
FB. Okay, or you could say BF. Okay, you guys are going to do 3 and 4 on that page.
I am so ready for this. Can't you tell?
Okay, go to the next slide. We got 2 slides left. That's what
For real?
okay, if AC equals 62, okay, so we have our line segment, A, B, C. AC, it says the entire line segment equals 62. So we can kind of fill some stuff in. Okay, so we know that this entire line segment equals 62. Okay, we want to know what is X. And this one is called the segment addition postulate. Okay, so I can tell by this that if I have, and remember we talked about like, oh, if I cut my arm off, right, and I cut it into 2 pieces, and I put them back together, I still have my full arm. Okay, I could take this half of my arm and this half of my arm and I put them together and it gives me a whole arm. It's no different than if you have 50 cents and 50 cents, it's gonna give you $1. Okay, so we have, if I take AB, which is this part, it with BC, I should equal,
62.
yeah, or AC. Okay, and I'm gonna write that down here, but I got A, B plus B, C equals AC. Okay, and Sammy already said AC equals 62. What is AB? According to our diagram, what did they say AB was?
3x.
3x minus 4. So we can put that right underneath here. So 3x minus 4. What is BC?
3x minus 4.
3x minus 4 equals, what is AC?
62.
62. Okay, so right now I got 3x minus 4 plus 3x minus 4. What do we need to do first?
Don't you add like 3x and
Perfect. So put, and it's combined like terms. So we're going to put the 3x's together, okay, to give me 6x. What else could I put together?
The
The minus 4 and minus 4.
Yeah, the minus 4 and the minus 4 to give me a minus 8.
62.
So I got 6x minus 8 equals 62.